Aside from the fact of having a handshake with President Xi Jinping, the only thing I remember was that status quo. Just a word na walang galawan. No movement, no armed patrols there as Israelis. Para walang magkagulo. Hindi tayo magkagulo. Yun ang naalaala ko. Wala akong... I did not... There's a new word. I do not even know the ayunan. Ito si Carpio and the rest of the... Well, I think is trying to be relevant is a retired justice. A not so brilliant one, which he pretends to be. Nawala naman siya doon. And I assure you that if it was a gentleman's agreement, it would always have been an agreement that would keep the peace in the South China Sea. Huwag mo kayong maniwala yung politic nila kasi hindi ako ganun kagago.